Hello, welcome back to David Look at RTM Projects. New subscribers, and welcome you. Guys, this is the electric powered lawnmower, remote control lawnmower. I had to build this in kind of a jiffy because nothing waits for the grass to grow. Kind of mocked it up one day. It was a self-propelled lawnmower a buddy of mine down the road gave me, and I had a good idea just to make it remote control. There's a little front end that I mocked up on it. All these front pieces are wheelchair parts. The drive motors are wheelchair parts, and the battery was a wheelchair part of an old wheelchair that I had. There's a 60 amp fuse here. It's got a quick release on it and all. You put an air filter on it, and then inside is the board, the brains of everything. Let's see, that's the motor driver that hooks into a unit for the receiver for the actual controller. Just a fly-style remote control airplane controller. And we'll get these screws back in here and we'll go out there and run it for you. Turned out pretty good. There are some things that I would like to go back over and figure out. I did leave the ride height a certain height. I had it out there in the grass the other day. I don't know if you can see that over there on the other side of the ditch, but it kind of got low and shaved the ground just a hair. So I decided just to keep it up in the air a little bit, so that way we can do thicker grass, because the grass in my backyard is really thick, and it goes up like a what you call it, a septic tank, and it gets kind of stuck in certain spots. So I just decided to weld it there and there on the other side, and it's stable. But without further ado, I'm going to run this thing for you and show you how it runs as a remote control, and then we'll fire the engine up. So I'm going to put you out here on the tripod. I did cut my yard with it the other day, and it turned out pretty good. Not too shabby. Alright, here we go. Turn on the remote. Without the motor running, and I'm going to run it with the motor. So it's really kind of controllable. It's really easy. Pretty easy to do. And then we'll just start the motor up, and I'll show you how it runs the motor. Gas mow the yard using. rigged up the kill switch on the actual motor yet, but like I said, there's still plenty of things to do. It still functions as remote control. The biggest remote control vehicle I have built to this day. Turned out really good, all the electronics and everything. Really cool thing is with that button on top, all I have to do is just kill it. Push the button, and that's it. Right there, push the button, lost signal. That's it, guys. If you like this, like, subscribe, notification bell. Guys, we're getting back on the players. Don't have too much more on that, and we should be good to go down the road here soon. Guys, you'll have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.